Hello and welcome. You're probably wondering, why do I have 4 packs of Pokemon Scarlet Violet Paradox Rift with a EB Games promo card of Koraidon? Well, let me explain one thing. To actually get this promo card of Koraidon, you have to spend $20 or over on Pokemon trading card gear. I did that. You look so cool. And there wasn't a Miraidon. I know I'm missing a few of the EB Games promo cards for the Pokemon Trading Card series, or Trading Card game, but yeah. As you can see, this attack does 30 damage for each of your ancient Pokemon in play. I'm guessing that also includes your what's on the bench that has ancient. So literally, if you have like this out plus 6 others, or 5 others, it's literally 180 damage. So after 2 turns, you can literally do 180 damage. And yes, it's a dragon. Also, we have a little blurb down here. This seems to be the Wind King mentioned in an old expedition journal. It was said to have split the land with its bare fist. No weakness, no resistance. It is a dragon type. And yes, that is EB Games. And yes, it is sparkly. So let's open up our first Paradox Rift. This is always mine. No one else's. So let's see what we get. Seadra, Magby. We have Violet, Otro. Now there's a number of these in Pokemon Scarlet and Violet in different forms that you can get. So do be wise on that. Durant, Technical Machine, Turbo Energize. Search the deck for the top 2 basic, for up to 2 basic energy cards, and then shuffle them and attach them to your bench Pokemon in any way you like. Then shuffle your deck. We do have Trio. Yes, water type. We have an Onix. We have a Natu. Ooh, wasn't expecting a Steelix. Wasn't expecting Steelix boy here. And then we have a basic energy. So that's pack 1. Like I said, I was not expecting Steelix to come up as the shiny. Was not expecting Steelix. Actually, here's the thing. Not expecting Onix here to be in the same pack as Steelix, or Steelix in the same pack as Onix. About luck at the draw on that one. Let's go with the second one, shall we? Again, always mine. So, we have Feebase, Apom, Javanta. Now, if you actually see me open the Pokemon Trick or Treat, the booster pack ones, we do actually get this little guy and probably one of these. Manti, Techno Raider. Search your deck for 2 future Pokemon, reveal them, put them into your hand, then shuffle your deck. Steenie, Counter Catcher, Tinkertunk, Vaquaco, yes! Ooh, was not expecting Ting Lu. Was not expecting a Ting Lu. And then we have basic Water Energy. Was not expecting that Ting Lu. Oh, that's good. Let's go with the one with the Fire Boy. Mine as always. So we got Chatot, Swabble, Pansear. I actually managed to get one in Pokemon Home. Wiglet, yay! We got a Wiglet. We got a Wiglet. Okay, not expecting an evolution already. So we got Pansear and Semi's here. Is not expecting evolution. Crobat, Rock. Again, another evolution. What the? Did I score a pack that gave me 2 evolutions? Gliscor. We have a Grabite. Oh, Palkia. Ooh. It is shiny, though. Really, like, it would have loved that to be a, and I didn't know Palkia was water type, but Art card would have been nice. Basic energy, and then we're back to shut up. So, this pack gave me, this one, gave me 2 evolution stars. Pansear in its evolution, and then Crobat with, not Crobat, Gligar with its evolution, Gliscor. Last pack. Mine as always. Giant. Hey, we got Tinkertuff. First stage. Stage 1 evolution for Tinkertuff from Tinkerton. Travish. Crustle. There's Inex. This one's different to... Yeah. So I can actually say this one's got more than what this Inex does. Yes, it's the same attack, but if you actually look closely, this one's got more detail than what this card has. And yes, both 90. Card number 90 out of 182. And yes, it does have a blow. It rapidly bores through the ground at 50 miles per hour by squirming and twisting its massive, rugged body. In other words, it's literally a drill. So literally, this card has more detail than what this Onyx card has. Talk about weird. There's Simicy again. There's a Crobat for stage 2 of Zubat's evolution stage. We have Rock again. We got Forseed. Again, you can see the detail. Then we have Professor True Scenario. Put one of your Pokemon in play into your hand. Discard all cards attached to that Pokemon. And then we have... wasn't expecting the Iron Moth to come in with a future clutch. Oh, weakness is water, heat ray, thermal reactor. Once during your turn, when this Pokemon moves from your bench to the active spot, you may move any amount of energy, fire energy from your other Pokemon to it. Okay, so if I have free fire energy, and they're on different Pokemon on my bench, I can literally move 3 of those energy straight to this and then use Heat Ray straight up. And then we have a Fire Basic Energy. So, out of all this, yes, do I get 2 Inexes? Yes. Where is one different? Yes. Did I get 2 evolution stages? Yes. I mean, the Manti artwork is just beautiful. Tinkertuff. Wasn't expecting a Tung-Lu, and yet each one of them has a blurb at the back on the bottom, so it's literally like their Pokedex entry. So, all up, 10. So, 2, 4, 6... I think the Pokemon Company might need to add an extra 1 to the 10. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. Basic Energy card is 11. This card makes 11. Yes, there are 10 cards, but this card makes 11. And if you wanted to, you could say this card here makes 12. Because this is literally the promo ad card. That's got the code for you to actually add the packs that you buy, including the decks, to your Pokemon Trading Card Online profile. I should know this because I actually have a few decks. And plus, I got for Quaker in this one. This one gave me 2 evolution lines. Tinkertuff not Tinkertuff. Tinkertink artwork is just beautiful. Plus the card detail. Come on, seriously. Just wish it carried over to this card. So, am I happy with these 4 decks? These 4 packs? Well, basically it's buy 2 get 1 free. But seeing as I bought 3, I got an extra 1 free because I was buying 2 at the time. But I was also adding a 3rd one. So basically, I ended up with over $20 worth of Pokemon cards, with a free Koraidon. I mean, I just love the artwork. I love the artwork. Did I get Shadow's Fire Style Evolution in here with it? No. Like I said, we got Pansear and Simisear. Then we got oh no, it was Crobat and only Crobat. My bad. My bad on 2 evolution. No. We actually did get Wiglet for the evolution of Wigteo, so that gave me, I actually did get the full evolution line for Wiglet. So 2 evolutions, the Wiglet itself. So got Gliscor. I mean, the card looks, you can see the detail. I do have a Gligar somewhere in the Pokemon Halloween one. I do have 2 rocks now. Like, I was seriously not expecting this card. I mean, you can tell it's stunning. Crobat. I did get a number of evolution lines. I'm spewing about Horsey not coming out, but look at Magni, it's just so cute. Even Villanet's artwork. Ortrio's, now there, like I said, there are a number of forms Ortrio can actually take. We got Thruant. See, there's Trio. Onyx with Steelix. Natu. I was not expecting these in the same pack. I was not expecting. So literally, if I have this in play, on my next turn I can evolve Onyx into Steelix. And then use Earthquake. Because my opponent has any bench Pokemon, that's 30 damage to him. So it's literally me just placing Onyx down. It's like, yeah, I'll attach an energy card to Onyx. Can't do nothing. Hey look, here's my second turn. Kiss your Pokemon, whatever one's out on the field, goodbye. So if it's Seadra, it's gone. If you put out Magby, gone. Oshra, gone. Durant, gone. If you put out Wiglet, it'll be gone. Same with this one. If you put out Koraidon, it would just survive with 10 HP and that'd be it. Spewing, I didn't get an evolution for V-Base, though that artwork looks so good. Apalm, the way it's holding its apple is good. Galvantara, Mantike, that is good. Missing the first and second stage, well, the pre-evolved stage, and then the second stage. Tinkertuff, we have Tinkertuff down there. Oh, I still love for Quaker. You can see the detail. Lies on warm rocks and uses the heat absorbed by the square-shaped scales to create fire energy. That is actually good. But then it's like, as soon as I saw Tungli, it stole the show. Though it is missing the extra details that would have made it a whole lot more better. But still, it's a nice little shiny. Not reverse, but nice little shiny. Basic water energy. And you're probably going, oh, but if I see Cedra, it's going to be water energy. No, it's going to be different energy. It's the same if, like, you see Tinkertuff. No, it's going to be different energy. But still, two. I mean, one you could say is a reverse shiny. Wait, is this actually a reverse shiny? I mean, I can see that all being shiny through the camera, but looking at it by itself, oh yeah, that is also shiny. The supporter, you can see how it is, even the future written. So I got a shiny where the future is not even, and I think this is a reverse shiny. You may play only one supporter card during your turn. I'm not sure. I need to brush up on what's shiny, what isn't shiny again. But yeah, that's my pickup from EB Games. Thank you for watching. Like, comment, and subscribe, and hit the bell for more notifications, and share the video. If you want to donate to Patreon, you can, though I do have PayPal, which is a whole lot more easier for me to actually get the funds into my account, so I can get more stuff to review for you guys. Also, bonus content. Remember these? Yes, Snorlax VMAX from Sword and Shield. That's my only giant. This is my only giant Pokemon card. It's my only giant Pokemon card I have. Sword and Shield. Good series. Like I said, like, comment, subscribe, hit the bell for more notifications, and I'll see you all this Friday, which is free games from Epic Games Store. So until then, take care, enjoy wherever you are, and have fun.